Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing Lego Creator Deep Sea Creatures.
Cool.
It is 31088. There's a shark, there's a squid, there's a crab and an anglerfish with a normal fish, and there's this decoration with the seaweed. There might be some new pieces I never had, so let's unbox it. I think we could be doing the main one, the shark, today, but maybe I might do a new one, maybe soon. Container, appear right here. Okay, let's start building. Crab. Click, 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 click. The shack. Rah, rah. Swim, swim, waggle, waggle. Fin flop, fin flop. Tail moves up and down. Right, I'm gonna eat you. Sugar, 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 sugar. Big, big, big. Pink tail up. Attacking mode. Boom, 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 boom. Gonna attack you. Munch. Look at the teeth, they're so sharp. If this was real, it could have eaten me right straight away when I built it. It would be like this. I'll eat you.
Oh no!
I ate you.
Nice.
And there's the little crab with his clickety claws. Click. And it's silly rickety legs with some wavy arms. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. See you in the next video.